The forecast, or forecast at complete, is the sum of all the estimates allocated to a VBS element. To update the forecast, one must therefore update the estimate register. From the Cost and Progress app, select the relevant VBS and go to the Estimates tab. Estimates can be updated in several ways, either by copying from assignments, contract elements, activities, or contract quantities. New estimate items can also be added directly to the register. The forecast is time-phased. When the forecast at complete is updated, the time phasing should be updated to reflect this. If these are not aligned, a warning indicator will be shown in the VBS Cost and Progress app. In Omega 365, one has access to key information that can be used to update the forecast. This includes commitments, potential commitments like change orders and variation order requests, performance indexes, contractor updates, resource assignments, and more. With the forecast method functionality, various forecasting logics can be applied on this data, automatically recalculating the forecast at completion when updated. Performance indicators are important when refining forecasts. CPI, or Cost Performance Index, shows cost efficiency. A value over 1 means you're under budget. A SPI, Schedule Performance Index, above 1 means that you are ahead of schedule. Less than 1 means that you are behind. These metrics provide valuable insight but should always be considered alongside potential changes in contracts, scope, or other project conditions. To learn more about Omega, go to academy.omega365.com.